I lived on a farm when I was young. We farmed soybeans and tobacco and corn and cotton. It was rough, the way we used to have to do it. My brothers and I looked at each other one day and said, we got to get out of this. We said, we're going to find a job. So we went into the furniture business. The job I'm doing now is training people how to upholster, but I do about everything that they need done. Every piece of furniture I make is handcrafted. You just know what you're doing when you work with your hands. I've been at Mitchell Gold and Bob Williams for 17 years. So that's a pretty good while.